Good morning, good morning, good morning. How is everybody this wonderful Friday morning? Um, I'm still half asleep. I forgot to bring my mic down, so I had to restart again. Yes, the shirt says sleepless in Seattle. Um, the word for the day is fraught. Fraught. Fraught describes something that causes or involves a lot of emotional stress or worry. When fraught is used in the phrase fraught with, it means full of something bad or unwanted. The siblings had a fraught relationship. The paper was poorly researched and fraught with errors. Fraught. Okay. Why is universal health care such a negative topic for people? Why do they not want it? Is it worry about how much it's going to cost? Because all the numbers show that we'll pay less out of pocket overall for our medical care? Are we worried that we're going to pay for people who aren't working? Well, we're already doing that. I mean, Medicaid, um, even for the homeless, when they go get medical care or are taken to the hospital by police, they never pay their bill. And so those charges are recycled into what we pay for our costs. Hospital wait times, they're not going to change. They are at the highest they've ever been for being seen, mostly because it seems like we don't have enough people in the medical field to take care of people properly. Um, yes, I would love to see us have universal health care. I would love for every child to have health care. I said that to somebody, and every child does get health care right now. No, they don't. Not in the US. Um, just out of curiosity, sometimes it can be very hard to get things like health care. Approximately 4.6 million children, or 6% of all kids in the United States, have no health insurance. 4.6 million children don't have health care in the U.S. It can be very hard to go through all that paperwork. It can be very difficult to, I can already hear people going, but most of those are illegals. Not necessarily. And even if they are you going to hold that against them for them not being able to make the decision to come here legally? You're talking children. Children. 4.6 million children that don't have health care. Why is it so wrong to want to help people? I'm not talking about giving anybody money. This is not about giving out handouts. This is about a baby is born, they get a medical record number, and that number is good for them for their entire life. They never have to worry about if something happens to their family, how they're going to be taken care of health wise. And universal health care should include dental. So it's medical and dental, because there are some states, I know of one, a friend of mine lives there. She had to move to be with me in California so she could get work on her teeth. Is that right? I mean, granted, kind of worked the system a little bit, but she needed care and she needed her mouth work done. She was getting infections and she couldn't hold a job because she had a disease that was making it difficult to stand and walk. She had medical care there. She was fine. She had disability income, but no dental. They didn't offer it. Couldn't get it. And why do we pay such a low insurance for dental right now and such a high out of pocket for dental? I know. Getting an implant put in, $6,000. Yet I need to be able to chew. And temps and things like that cause way more problems. This, once it's in there, I already have another one. Well, eventually my mouth will be worth more than a car. So, how can we help people without hurting people? Think about it. Give me your opinions. Love you, my Valentines.